Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the home city on your Casioak. Here we have the stainless steel model, so the GM2100, but this is going to work for the normal Casioak, the GA2100, that features the same module 5611. So what you want to do is to press and hold the adjust button for 3 seconds. The first thing that we can set is actually our home city. As you can see, I have Rome, and you are going to first see an abbreviation, so ROM, and then the full name of the city. You can press the 2 buttons on the right to go east and west. So for example, pressing the top pusher is going to send us in one direction, so Madrid, London, Lisbon, as you can see, Lis, and then we are going to see the full name. And I can go even further, so I have Rio, other countries that I do not know, New York City, and so on, so Chicago. Then I'm going to go in the opposite direction. You can also press and hold in order to speed scroll, so to move faster, and you can see that we have Jerusalem, Cairo, Athens, and so on. So once you have found the city or the capital that corresponds to your time zone, you can leave it there. And I'm going to also leave a link in the description below to all the time zones that the Casio, so the Casioak features, so that you can choose or know the exact home city that you should select. After everything is done, all you need to do is to press the adjust button and you are done. You have set or changed your home city, guys, when it comes to the Casioak. I have a full guide with all the functions and features of the Casioak, so how to set everything, how to use the chrono function, the alarm, the world time, so everything that you need to do, also how to align the watch hands after your battery replacement. So make sure to check it out, link in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to watch even more tutorials, watch videos, watch unboxing videos, make sure to be subscribed to this YouTube channel. I'm pretty sure you are going to enjoy, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.